This word is supposed to be pronounced entrecôte, because that's how it's pronounced in French, or kind of. It's entrecôte. I don't, is it pronounced like that? I need to ask Google Translate. Is it pronounced entrecôte?
Je suis un petit escargot.
Okay. This is my German accent. Or as they say in Jamaica, my German accent! It's gift time, Joachim. What? What?
Jag bangade att äta det räliga möget.
I skipped over to eat the what was it?
Möget. Möget. Ett mög.
En kvinna. A woman.
Okay, so he just said that he skipped eating a woman.
Exactly.
Banga is to chicken out.
Oh yes.
So you're too scared to eat, well, the shit. Möget is the shit.
Is that the shit? Okay.
And I wouldn't, compare women to shit. But that's... Möget. That could be really...
If for some reason you find that there is a translation for one of these words, or if there's a translation in your language, feel free to post them down below in the comment section, and we'll have a jolly good time spend looking at each other. Yes, I think I will end the video now because it's just going abroad. It's not going abroad, but overhand. Anyway. Wait a minute, what was that? Rewind the tape, please. Oh, Sina heiset sauna. No, that doesn't work. Okay, never mind. Keep the tape rolling. One hell on the second place, lulls first.
I don't know what to mine, I'll mine this anyway. In this Minecraft.
Okay, fuck this. Oh, going to Ibiza, little, whoa, back to the island. We're gonna step it up with a tongue twister that I had problems saying. It's very short, but it's just very difficult.
Oh, okay. Typiskt västkustsk. What is the ending is kind of weird. Typiskt is quite typiskt västkustsk.
All right, the roof is going on. The roof is on fire, as they say, the Bloodhound Gang. I don't know how stable this is, though. It's all fine. It's all good and dandy. I'm gonna do that. I don't know why I'm trying to tell you what I'm doing, like a sort of cooking show. And then you put the frosting on, like a mofo. I'm trying to measure, trying to be somewhat professional. As the Swede I am. I don't know why that would make me professional in any way. No, don't fall apart now. Okay, I'm gonna remove this for now. No, my cookie house. It's not a cookie house. Swedish is a language with a very noticeable language melody. It almost sounds like we are singing. So try to sing while you're speaking. There's You're so serious about it. Why? Oh my. This is disco. Shake it. Woo ha, woo ha. Oh my god, I'm lost for words. I don't know even what to, great.
Mejas. Alltså, vad fan gör du? Under dig.
Du hinner, du kan nästan ditcha bilen och gå in sista biten.
Kör.
Ingen hör dig.
Kör ner till vägen istället med för att ta bergsvägen.
Det är bergsklättran.
Clearar berg.
Men alltså jag orkar inte! Alltså du är så jävla dålig! Du är en jävla sopa! Fy fan vad trött jag blir alltså.
Vad händer?
Varenda jävla gång ska du göra så här också. Jag sa till dig åk ner till vägen också.
Johan, jag orkar inte. Jag dör
på grund av det. Är det så?
Alltså, jag hoppas du dör. Plågsam död.
Jag förstår det är förbi, jag är search for heaven.